But yeah, it's tough. Tough living out here in the desert and having to listen to this almost every day. You see on the ground it's raining. And you hear on the roof it's raining. Yeah. This is tough. Life in the desert during monsoon season. Oh, it just started dripping down into my bucket. You can hear the thunder, but there's no lightning yet that I've seen. Now you can see it running into the bucket. But most of it's going to miss me. Now I call thunder earschplittenloudenboomers. Some of you may recognize that. It was the title of the song from a group, probably 1969. If any of you recognize it, put it in the comments who the band was. They had a couple of big hits. Oop. Wind is coming, blowing the water away from the bucket. Wouldn't you know? And here comes another storm coming in this way. According to the weather, should be coming right at me. Might just miss me, but that's good because it's kind of a hot day today. They were predicting only like 103 and it got close to 110 here. Now it's beautiful, nice breeze, nice and cool. It's the joys of living in the desert. You can see it's still sunny this way, kinda. That's the direction it's all moving. More that way, actually. Man, look at that. And there's my Ruger. There's my Ruger. What you doing, puppy? Where you coming from, huh? Yeah. Are you a good puppy? Are you a good Ruger? Are you a good Ruger? Are you a good Ruger, huh? Are you a good puppy? Yes. Yeah. That's a good Ruger. That's a good puppy. Yes. Where you going? Not dinner time yet. Not dinner time yet. Just wanted to show you what a monsoon storm looks like from a distance. It's just dumping down there pretty good. The reason I noticed it was because I heard the thunder. I love the light this time of the evening. Long shadows and looks like it's moving a little. See, I got the hood up on the Jeep, having a war with a pack rat that thought that it was going to live under there. Now I got a bunch of solar lights under there, and well, looks like it is coming this way. The rain's getting closer anyway. That's the clouds right above us. Not all that often you get a rainstorm backlit by the sun. But the wind is coming this way, so I'm assuming this storm is coming this way too, but oh, there we go. Come on. Come on, Boomer. When you can see it and you hear the rolling thunder, that's when they say go inside. So, I think I'm going to pay attention and go inside. It looks like the storm's going to miss us. Oh well. Go lay down. I never tell him that, so he doesn't understand it. Well, there we go, that's what I wanted. Getting closer. Another one way up there. Those little flashes, but no. Cloud to ground lightning. Well, I hope I got that. Yeah, I should have, yep.